Hey, this is Curtis Stein with Colorado Computer Support, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. Well, this week we're going to talk about email, and specifically about how to embed a link or how to embed a document inside of an email. And you might wonder why that might be important to embed it. And there, the importance really isn't that great. It's more just aesthetically makes a better presentation. Maybe you have a big email you need to send to a potential client, a customer, a friend of yours. You just want to make it look pretty. So this might be a helpful hint if you have any of those big emails you need to get out. So how this works, I'm just going to throw an email image right here. You can just see it's a basic document, and all it says is click here to view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the word here. Now when I highlight the word here, I'm now going to right click on it, and the very bottom is going to give you an option to hit link. So go ahead and hit that link button, and it pulls up that window and allows you to search for any file or document you want to attach to that inside of your computer. Or you can just go to the bottom where it says address and just go ahead and drop a link to an address you'd like to put in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop a random link in there. It's for a video on YouTube for about Vivotech security cameras. And that way, if I now hit add and add that to it, it's now going to change that word here into a blue word that's underlined, so it's apparent that it has something attached to it. So if you hover a mouse over it or click on it, it's then going to take you to a document or then to a web address for you to view that. And just as you can see, it looks a lot prettier than if I was to send this, which is just a YouTube link that doesn't have the same visual effect of what the nice flush words are going to say inside of that email that could give you just a better presentation to whoever you're sending that to. So I hope that helps you out or gives you a better idea of next time you need to send an important link or an important document to a friend, coworker, or maybe a potential client. As always, if you have any questions or do need any help with any IT assistance with your business, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. You can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.